What did you want? Why you open the door just...
Because I wanted to.
What did you say, you little brat?
Come close.
I will come closer, you motherfucker. So right now we're going to react to Pentagon, Naughty Boy. I am super happy because they finally came back, but I'm not satisfied with the fact that they are having promotion without Idon and Yanan. Without Yanan in the second time of the history of Pentagon, because the last time the first one? When they were promoting with Critical Beauty, because he broke his arm.
Oh.
And he didn't even participated in filming the music video. And he missed the whole promotion in general.
What can I say? Everything can happen.
And right now, Idon doesn't participate. Because dear company Cube Entertainment.
Of the stupid fans, firstly.
And because of the company. Because they think they can rule everything. I'm absolutely not agree with this.
Do not start it once again, okay?
No, I'm gonna shout.
I'm gonna rip your heart with my own hands.
Just play.
It's me on the work, seriously, like sitting and waiting when the
Yutodachi!
He's little one.
What's wrong with Yukino?
I don't know.
Shinwon, is everything alright?
Seriously, they sing in the background.
What is that? I'm absolutely sure this girl was Shinwon.
I'm so confused right now.
I was so surprised when I saw once that Kino dyed his hair. My doors. I don't like this mint hair, to be honest. I don't know why, but that's so weird to me. What's that? Coyote! My doors.
What's with the frogs?
I like this ponytail, you know, seriously, that's so cute and sweet. Right now he looks like a maknae. Well, Socks is maknae, but Kino is also maknae. Adachi!
Thank you very much.
White frogs. Yutodachi! Where is Yutoda? Where is Yutoda? Seriously, Kino. Come from the Google. Is everything going? Oh,
Bellies! They hold the hands. Oh my god. That's how you feel. videos, seriously.
You know, Kankyonggu, is everything alright? Yeah. I am so happy that I am with these dorks since the pre-debut, seriously. With even before their pre-debut, not before their pre-debut, in their pre-debut, before Pentagon Maker. I was like, damn, Pentagon's gonna drop something new, some new group, and it's gonna be a boy group. And I was like, I'm so interested. Who are these guys? And then they dropped photo teasers of guys. I was like, so beautiful. And then they got Pentagon Maker, and then they debuted it at the same time when BTS dropped Blood, Sweat and Tears, and I was like, oh. And I'm with these guys, I'm such a just... Короче, я ее реверс до мозга костей, я не знаю, как это перевести.
That's how English works.
In this particular place. I just could.
Everything was nice. The song was nice. The lyrics was nice. Like, I want to live forever with the beautiful you. You read the subtitles, yeah? So
I wasn't looking actually at subtitles because I was looking at the guys.
I liked it.
I need Yana and Don back.
Can you please shut up when I'm
No.
talking? Okay, but there was one thing I do not understand. Like, what's with the frogs? Why? Like,
Ask them when you're gonna meet them. Just ask them because they will never tell us. Like, in the internet. Just ask them, like, just...
I'm still thinking about frogs.
Мне сразу, знаешь, что вспоминается? Я видела, короче, этот видос, какой-то русский чувак снимает, типа, красивые лягушки, но зрачки крайне расширены. Ну, знаешь, такие лягушки, у которых вот такие вот большущие глаза, которые делают эти фигурки?
Да.
Знаешь, когда Сонька увидела это, мы тут же одновременно. Зрачки крайне расширены.
Что за хуйня вообще, ребят?
Oh, that was so weird choreo, but damn it, I love Pentagon.
And I like the thing they did at the end, when they stopped the music and started to sing themselves and acting like real dorks.
Well, they are dorks.
Okay.
You told that shit. You are such a bitch.
Yes.
Where is Yutoda? Where is your Yutoda? Okay, Yuto Iminida. Where is it? Where is it, bitch? I'm not talking to you anymore. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Stand Pentagon. Love Pentagon. Support please Hyuna and Idon.
Do not forget about Yutoda. Yeah.
Don't forget about Yutoda. Это было создано веками, нашими предками. Это нужно хранить, беречь, оберегать. Я просто забыла все слова на английском языке. Все в порядке, все нормально. Я помогу потом перевести, не переживай.
I'm really tired making subtitles to this fucking video because of your Russian language.
Я тебе переведу, потом ты потом все оставишь. Все в порядке.